I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the console safe, power it down, unplug it, and wait about 10 minutes so residual charge dissipates. Next, remove the magnetic top vent by sliding and lifting with a plastic pry tool. This exposes 4 Torx screws. Once visible, use a T8 security bit to remove them. Keep them paired and labeled. You're doing this to avoid stripping fasteners and to ensure you can reassemble in the right order. So photograph each stage as you go. Once the shell is off, you'll see the main modules. Remove the remaining chassis screws and lift the frame straight up while noting how cables route around corners. Next, locate the power board and fan connectors. Depress plastic retention tabs and pull straight. Don't yank at wires. After that, gently peel back ribbon cables and remove small EMI shields to access the SSD bay and the heatsink assembly. You're doing this so you can replace or clean parts without stressing. For final disassembly, remove heatsink screws in a crisscross order to avoid warping, then lift the cooling assembly straight up. If thermal paste is present, expect some resistance. Clean or replace parts as needed, then loosely reassemble enough to perform a power test. This confirms functionality before full closure. If the console won't power on, you should immediately reseat all connectors, verify the internal fuse isn't damaged, and inspect for pinched cables. These quick checks solve most post-service failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.